This is a Fiat Linea. Today I will show you how to open the central lower console. The front seat has been removed. I had to remove it because some water had come in the passenger's seat area. So you don't really have to remove the front seat. This is just that I had to remove it. So first you remove the handrest. You open this over here. Just pops out, and these three bolts need to be opened. I believe this is a number 10. Yeah, number 10. So you remove these three bolts. Once they are out, you can get the handrest out. Now you pull up the handrest. Once the handrest is out, just pull these. This side's out. Now to remove this, you have three screws which need to be removed. Move one here, and one here. Once you remove these three on both the sides, you can just pull it out. I'll just open this one also. And finally, the screw. This has to be done on both the sides. Now on the other sides, this is 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Please open them one by one. Once you open the screws, you have to just push it out. There's a thing which just holds these two together. Just pull it out on both the sides. All the nuts and screws have been removed. Now you lift this up, remove from the sides, lift it up and back. Yeah, it's like this. Lift it up and back, and pull it back. Now, if you need to pull out the whole thing, you'll see here there's a wire connecting this wire here, which connects to the USB charger. or the cigarette lighter. So this has to be removed from inside. You have to press, and here like this it comes out. Open your gear lever and you can lift the whole thing out. So this is how it is done. Thank you.